Visit by the UN Special Rapporteur on the negative impact of coercive measures on the enjoyment of human rights. Schedule of appointments. Day 1, Monday, October 18, 2021, 8:45 Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade. 9:30 He, the President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa. 11 o'clock Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs. 12 o'clock Minister of Finance and Economic Development. Day 2, Tuesday, October 19, 2021, 9 o'clock Governor, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. 10 o'clock Speaker of Parliament. 11 o'clock Chief Justice. 12 o'clock Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, Harare. Day 3, Wednesday, October 20, 2021, 9 o'clock Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet. 10 o'clock Minister of Defense and War Veteran Affairs. 11 o'clock Minister of Women Affairs, Gender and Community Development. 12 o'clock Minister of Environment, Tourism and Hospitality Industry. Day 4, Thursday, October 21, 2021, 9 o'clock Minister of Mines and Mining Development. 10 o'clock Minister of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage. 11 o'clock Minister of Youth, Sports, Arts and Recreation. 12 o'clock Minister of Information Communication Technology and Courier Services. Day 5, Friday, October 22, 2021, 9 o'clock Minister of Industry and Commerce. 10 o'clock Minister of Local Government, Public Works and National Housing. 11 o'clock Minister of Energy and Power Development. Day 6, Saturday, October 23, 2021, Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, Bulawayo. Day 7, Sunday, October 24, 2021, Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, Bulawayo. Day 8, Monday, October 25, 2021, 9 o'clock Minister of Higher Education, Science and Technology Development. 10 o'clock Minister of Public Service, Labor and Social Welfare. 11 o'clock Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission. Day 9, Tuesday, October 26, 2021, 9 o'clock Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, Mutare. Day 10, Wednesday, October 27, 2021, 9 o'clock Minister of Lands, Agriculture, Water, Climate and Rural Development. 10 o'clock Minister of Primary and Secondary Education. 11 o'clock Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development. 12 o'clock Minister of Health and Child Care. Day 11, Thursday, October 28, 2021, 10 o'clock Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting. 11 o'clock Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs. 12 o'clock Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade.